There are so many amazing places to see around the world. What are your top 50? We asked our viewers, and here are some of their favourites. Welcome to Bangkok. With over 6 million people, it's big, it's busy, and our viewers love it. It's great for shopping, and the nightlife is great too.
It's got lots of clubs, bars, shops, food, everything you need really.
Thailand is an important place for Buddhists around the world, and there are 400 temples in Bangkok alone. Tourists love to visit the temples too. Another favourite is the Masai Mara in Kenya. It's a fantastic place to watch animals. Zebras, elephants, antelope, hippos and lions. You can see them all. So, why is it so special?
I just love the wide open spaces. The animals are amazing and the people are so warm and friendly.
And now from Africa to South America. It's the Iguazu Falls on the border of Argentina and Brazil. The name Iguazu means big water, and the falls certainly are big.
The falls are so big, so huge. You stand next to them and feel very, very small. It's the natural world at its best.
Now a popular, romantic city, the City of Lights, Paris.
To me, Paris is elegant, romantic and expensive.
But beautiful. Enjoy the views of the city from the top of the Eiffel Tower. Back to Africa now, South Africa. Yes, it's Cape Town. And behind Cape Town is the 1,000-metre-high Table Mountain with its wonderful views.
Went there over New Year and it was lovely. I mean, just a lovely, lovely place.
Everyone loves the mountains and beaches that make Cape Town so special. And these little guys, the penguins. This is the big moment. The #1 place to see before you die. The big favourite.